Okay, this building is also 310 meters tall. It's at the Warsaw. Its name is called Varso Tower. Okay, topping out already. Again, the building starts from the winter. Okay, so you can see the snow as being accumulated on the floor. This is diaphragm wall rebar cage. This is a crawler crane. This is a diaphragm wall machine. I hope that they are not relying on this one machine to finish the project. This is the standard, the office building. What's after the winter? Okay, it's spring. So when the spring is here, then the weather is clean. The weather is clean. Okay, and everything start warm up. You can see this Marriott hotel as beside. This is some other, I believe, will be office building. Some of the overfly bridge, car park. This is the construction site. They have this office building. They set all the aircon on the roof. Okay, this is the standard holding. Okay, this is the silo, which is using to stabilize of the soil condition. Diaphragm wall machine 1, diaphragm wall machine 2. So our joke is right. They don't have only one, they have multiple. And the crawler crane 1 and the crawler crane 2. This is the silo pipes. Some of the excavator. Okay, so this building is this shape, and they are having this open car park that is not belong to the development boundary. Then they have to limit their work in this area. The silo, so on and so forth. Some of the ram, machinery. Move on. Okay, this photo has been shared with my friend on how to plan a soil ram. So you can see that they are doing the soil new to do open cut. Here they are doing the timber legging, retaining wall, and here they are doing some kind of the casting. Then they do this circular pipe as the EIS wall retaining. This is some of the open cut retaining. Behind they got the soil legging as well. This is the standard residential building. People are using the CCTV antenna. This is the office residential building as well. You can see the antenna. This ramp is what I'm learning. After they overcome the excavation stage, they start the basement construction stage. These two number of the circular strut still there. Tower crane has been set up. Escape access being set up as well. So if you see from the level, it's easily around 10 meters from ground level to the basement. This is ground anchor to retain the soil to be vertical cut. This will be something like the car park. Okay, so this is structuring. The core wall start to going up. Okay, so the building is up already. Let me draw out the existing car park alignment. It's like this. So the building is within this the other half of the square. So when they are doing some casting, they are using this elephant bump. But in the structure itself, they will have this concrete placing boom. Then they have tower crane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slab formwork, they are using standard formwork. Okay, sorry, the crane they have number 7 and the number 8. Okay, so you must see that they have this concrete truck like a salon the picture, very funny. Okay, so it's a massive mixed development. Column continue go up, but you must realize that not the columns are not in one straight line, they are doing some offsets. It's challenging because the slab needs to take the transfer load. Safety is priority, so they set up this external safety screen, and the external safety screen, as well as this jump formwork screen. This is office. I must say the job set is quite neat, quite tidy up. Rubbish bin, and a lot of the rebar placed on the floor. This is the concrete placing boom to transfer the concrete from ground floor to up. They are also using the money tool, the extended forklift. So this is a Varso place. Okay, so this kind of the safety screen is very standard, and this is something like a Perry or Doka formwork, I'm not sure, but this kind of is the extension by top hydraulic, then all the wall form panel attached to it and being bring up. This is the concrete placing boom. Continue going up. Facade not yet start. This is the tower crane direct. Okay, so it's Varso place. It's getting higher and higher. Loading platform. Finally, the facade has started. They are rushing the structure. This is something like an antenna, so you can see the workers doing the joint. So those people put themselves in this high level must have great mind in the mind self-control. Concrete wall. So with the finishing of the structure and the facade also catch up already, so you can see the material loading platform, concrete wall, some M&E floor, louver, then as well as the 2 tower crane support the most higher levels. So this one will be mechanical floor. Below you see the standard, the clear and the white, that one will be for office. So this is winter again. You can see all this white color on the soil ground. Even the construction area also being covered with wet. So the weather must be freezing. 1 tower crane, 2 tower crane, and the building facade, building antenna. So the antenna being further extended with this rod. This is the antenna rod. Facade came up and is taking the shape already. If you view from far, this is the building, and this is the building. Nice one.